In 2004, Allure, formerly known as UScrystal, released the first pedicure-in-a-box. Crystal, the single-use spa pedicure system with a unique jelly soak. This system revolutionized the spa pedicure industry and fascinated the market energetically. Pedicure-in-a-box is an innovative system solving the sanitary problem and saves time to prepare and material to waste. It has individually sealed single-use pouches for each step of the spa pedicure. There are no chances of contamination from multiple-use containers. It is easy to use and keeps the product safe and clean without any mess. Crystal quickly evolved to become the highly celebrated Jelly Pedi Collection, a 5-step spa pedicure system with an innovative gelatinous solution. As the first in the industry, it was awarded 2 U.S. patents in 2006. In 2005, Allure launched a 4-step pedicure-in-a-box, Aroma Spa. This collection is centered around the aromatherapeutic benefits of utilizing various flower species. Aroma Spa contains a unique fragrant liquid soak, which releases faster and more fragrant for better aromatherapy. In 2007, Cosmos Spa. The very first 6-step pedicure-in-a-box was released into the market. Due to the finest quality of ingredients used in production, as well as being the first premium 6-step pedicure to be individually packaged, this collection has become the favorite amongst our clients. In 2019, we have again introduced a first in the market with Serum Spa, the first and only spa pedicure system to contain premium quality skin serum with over 12 effective natural ingredients proven to target specific skin concerns. All Allure products are manufactured in our South Korean plant to ensure that only the highest quality materials are used under the most stringent quality control. As the originator of the pedicure-in-a-box concept and pioneering leader of the industry, we are relentlessly researching and always provide the finest products with the best natural ingredients. Due to recent worldwide awareness of the importance of increased hygiene and sanitation, Allure incorporated antiseptic benefits into spa care products as the first and foremost company. We will continue to produce the most essential products for today, tomorrow, and beyond.